Hey everyone! Wait. Hey everyone! So we are kind of making a kind of different video for now. Right now, my GPU, as some of you know, or like who cares, but my GPU just actually died. So I was not able to make gaming videos lately as my PC is also basically dead. I'm not really so sure what happened, but I've got the Gigabyte 980 Ti G1 Gaming. It was such a gaming beast, such a great card, and I had a lot of fun with it. I have this one for around or like more than 3 years now, but sadly for some reason it just died last week. Like Thanos just snapped his fingers and the GPU is dead. End of story. It's really kinda sad. I was really hoping to get around at least 5 years before replacing this card. But oh well, there's really nothing I could do right now. I'm not even so sure if you can repair GPUs these days. So after using some of my emergency funds, because this is an emergency for gamers like you and me, I finally managed to buy a new card. This is actually another card from Gigabyte, the Auros 2070 Super, or what I'm hoping it to be. Hopefully this is not a scam or I was not sent a different card. But I was choosing between this card and an RX-5070 XT, but I just love how this card looks, even though it can't really be seen inside my PC case. It is an H440 case from NZXT, so it has a very small window in the front, in the side panel. It cannot be seen, but still, it looks very great. So I have to choose this one over the RX 5700 XT. So right now, we are gonna be making a short unboxing and testing of this card later to finally play games after a long week of gaming silence. So even though I am still grieving for the death of my old card, I am at the same time very happy and excited for this sudden upgrade. So without further ado, let's start the unboxing of our new Alright, so moment of truth. Let's turn that one on. And 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. One more. Oh, it won't turn on. No! Well guys, it's a noob mistake. I was not able to turn on the button at the back of the PSU. So let's try it again, and well, there you have it. It's on now. Finally. Oh, that's so nice. But I can't really see it in my normal position while playing. But at least it's on. I can finally see our monitor screen turning on. We're in! Alright guys, so our first game that we are trying is of course Black Desert Online. So before I was having around 50 average of 50 FPS for remastered mode. So right now I'm not so sure if we can see actually on the upper left corner, but I am having around 70 to 80 FPS, which is actually pretty great. I can finally play in remastered mode at more than 60 FPS. So it's a big improvement, although there are frame drops reaching around 30, but it's great, alright? I can finally face these bosses, especially as a Valkyrie. FPS is very important. And I'm not having that much difficulty before I need to switch back to high settings from remastered every time I try to do Rift, like this one, because it's so freaking lag. And now, not bad. Oh, I forgot how much fun this one is. Nice. Ooh, I also just realized there are actually new particle effects for the Valkyrie class, like those yellowish things or goldish things. Those were not actually present before. It was added around the start of the year, as far as I remember, but I haven't really seen it that much because of the I was playing in high settings most of the time. Alright, so the next game that we are trying is, I'm actually just checking whichever game I was available in the PC because I have it reformatted. So we have Final Fantasy 15, all in high settings, and what we got is actually stable 70 FPS, 70 to 80 FPS, also more or less similar to Black Desert Online, which is still an improvement from around 60 in before using the 980 Ti graphics card. But sadly I actually lost my save files, so I have to go back from the very start. That's a shame. Let's try to find some enemies. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Wait, oh, I forgot the controls already. This is pretty smooth actually. I just forgot how to play this game. I was actually using my PS3 controller before, which at the moment the program to use the PS3 controller is not yet installed, so that's why I have to basically use my keyboard and mouse. I'm not so used to it, but yeah, it's so great So far there's no lag. There's occasional drops but not that much. It's completely playable. Not completely playable. And I'm so happy actually with the purchase or with the upgrade. Well guys, the PC is actually working. That's a relief. But we cannot really see our card from here as expected. Well, I guess I really need to buy that vertical GPU mount in order to showcase that beauty of the card. Hopefully, I can remove those grills at the back of the case somehow next time. Anyway guys, if you are still here, actually, we are celebrating our first anniversary here in YouTube. Yeah! It has been such a long but wonderful year, and I am so thankful for all of your support. I haven't really celebrated any milestones before, but I guess 1 year is pretty great, I must say. It's pretty special. So since this is a special occasion, I will be giving a giveaway. I will be giving a Steam game, any Steam game of your choosing. All you need to do is to basically comment down in the comment section below what game you want to play and why you want to play it. And that's it. I will be selecting the winners by the end of February, and to be honest, I'm not really expecting that many people to actually watch this video. So I guess you have a pretty high chance to actually win this giveaway. So good luck, I guess. And again, thank you so much guys for all of the support that you have given, and hope to see you more on our upcoming videos, and hope that we actually survive this year, as the first month of 2020 is not really been that good. So stay safe wherever you are, and again, hope to see you more on our next video, and let's survive this year. See you guys. Peace.